Hi everyone, I am Dr. J. Ramiza Banu, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Bishop Weber College, Trichy. I am here to explain about the concept of groups in modern algebra. A group is a set with one binary operation defined on it satisfying some natural conditions. Definition: a non-empty set G together with a binary operation star from G cross G to G is called a group. The following conditions are satisfied. Star is an associative operation, that is A star B star C equal to A star B star C. There exists an element E belonging to G such that A star E equal to E star A equal to A for all A belonging to G. For any element A in G, there exists an element A dash belonging to G such that A star A dash equal to A dash star A equal to E, where A dash is called the inverse of A. If all the conditions are satisfied, then we call G is a group along with the operation star. Examples: the set of all integers is Z, the set of all rationals Q, and the set of all real numbers R, and the set of all complex numbers C are all groups under the operation usual addition. The set of all 2 by 2 matrices with elements A, B, C, D, where A, B, C and D belong to the real numbers, is a group under matrix addition. Matrix addition is associative, and the zero matrix with all the entries as 0 is the identity element, and the matrix minus A minus B minus C minus D is the inverse of the matrix with rows A, B and C, D. The set of all 2 by 2 non-singular matrices with entries A, B, C, D, where all the elements are from the set of all real numbers, is a group under matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication is associative, and the identity element is 1, 0, 0, 1, and the inverse of the matrix A, B, C, D is 1 by determinant of A into determinant of D minus B minus C minus E. Consider the set of all natural numbers n, which is not a group under usual addition, as there is no element E belonging to n such that A plus E equal to E. So far we have seen the examples for groups. This is the set of natural numbers which is not a group under usual addition. Similarly, the set of all integers Z is not a group under usual multiplication. Consider the element 1 belonging to Z, which is the identity element of Z. Any number other than 1 and minus 1 does not possess an inverse. That is why Z is not a group under usual multiplication. Let us define an operation A star B equal to A for A, B belonging to the set of all natural numbers. Here, star is an associative binary operation, but we cannot find an element E belonging to n such that E star A equal to A for all A belonging to n. Hence, the set of all natural numbers with star does not have identity element, and thus n star is not a group. Abelian group. A group G is said to be an abelian group if AB equal to BA for all A, B belonging to G. A group which is not abelian is called a non-abelian group. Let us find examples for that. Consider the group Z plus. Z plus is an abelian group. Similarly, the set of all rationals Q and the set of all real numbers R, the set of all complex numbers C are all abelian groups under usual addition. Denote the set of all bijections from R to R as script B of R. Then script B of R is a non-abelian group under composition of mappings. Let us define the function f from R to R given by f of x equal to x plus 6 and g is a function from R to R given by g of x equal to 2x. Here f and g are obviously bijective functions, meaning they are one-to-one and onto functions. Consider f composite g of x, that is f of g of x that is equal to f of 2x that is equal to 2x plus 6, and consider g's composite f of x that is g of f of x that is equal to g of x plus 6 that is equal to 2x plus 12. We find that f composite g of x and g composite f of x are not the same. Hence we say that script B of R is a non-abelian group under composition of mappings. Consider the set 1, 3, 5, 7, which is a finite abelian group under multiplication modulo 8 and consider the set of integers z with star defined as a star b equal to a plus b plus 1. Here z star is an infinite abelian group. The set of all 2 by 2 non-singular matrices with entries A, B, C, D as real numbers is an infinite non-abelian group under matrix multiplication, since matrix multiplication is not commutative. Let us now see the definition for permutation groups. Let capital A be a finite set. A bijection from A to itself is called a permutation of A. If A equal to the set of all numbers from 1 to 4, let us define a function f from a to a given by f of 1 equal to 2, f of 2 equal to 1, f of 3 equal to 4 and f of 4 equal to 3. This is called a permutation of A, and this permutation can be written as 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1, 3 goes to 4 and 4 goes to 3. An element in the bottom row is the image of the element in the upper row. Hence, any rearrangement of columns is a permutation of itself in material. Thus 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 can be written as 4 going to 3, 3 going to 4, 1 goes to 2 and 2 goes to 1. Symmetric group. Let capital A be a finite set containing n elements. The set of all permutations of A is a group under the composition of functions. This group is called the symmetric group of degree n and it is denoted by Sn. Example, consider the set capital A equal to 1, 2, 3. Then S3 consists of the following elements. Thank you.